I'm Sam Miller. I'm the communications manager at FoodCycler. Food waste doesn't get as much media attention as, plastic waste, but food waste generates methane, which is 30 times more harmful for the environment than the CO2 from our cars. FoodCycler is a countertop compost alternative. You put organic waste into the bucket, you press start, come back 5 or 6 hours later to this beautiful soil amendment that can go right into your garden. The challenges we were facing was we knew the product worked, we were just missing that research that confirmed and approved the product. So what made us reach out to St. Lawrence College was they're extremely professional, they have a really good reputation in the area, and they have a lab right next door. So it was a case of local helping local. The steps that St. Lawrence College took to tackle our issue was they built a garden plot with multiple different sections, and they applied different levels of byproduct and different types of byproduct to that soil. And then they grew seeds of various household plants to see how those plants grew. FoodCycler is a young company, so we're growing exponentially, but of course that would take many years to be able to offer our product on a worldwide scale or even a nationwide scale at the level that we really see ourselves moving towards. And OEM partners like Vitamix and others will really just amplify and accelerate the process. St. Lawrence has done wonders for our marketing, our messaging. We have something to reference now, which is invaluable. We couldn't do without it.